No, I don't think so. It's an area that most physicians who do back and neck surgery don't get involved with. It's very difficult and hard. So, could I choose to see simpler things than I do at times? Sure, I could. But what I like is being able to take very complex, multi-level, difficult situations and seeing if I can turn them around and literally hand somebody their life back again. Because it not only fixes the patient, it fixes their spouse, their children feel better, they can sometimes get back to work, they get a life, and that's what I'm here to do.